Hi guys, I'm Isa, and today we're going to learn about a Python framework called Flask. Okay, so Flask is not really a framework, it's more of a micro framework. Well, whatever that means. Alright, anyways, so Flask is used to make, websites. Uh, well, you're gonna see what that actually means later. Okay, so first we're going to do is we're going to create the file. So we're gonna create app.py. Then I'm also gonna create a folder called templates, and inside of it will be index.html. I'll just make the directory templates first. So now I could make the index.html, and okay, so those are our stuff. So let me just open app.py. Alright, so yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is to write import Flask. Oh yeah, also to use Flask, you have to install pip. I mean, you have to use pip. Otherwise, just write pip install Flask. Yeah, that shouldn't be that hard. So from Flask, import render templates. Okay, so now we're also going to make the main page, the index.html and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use this uh email logo Siggy. So I'm gonna say index. So now we're gonna have to declare a function. So def index. Alright, now I've wrote the necessary code and stuff. Anyways, okay, so let me just a little. It's supposed to be app.routes index. Okay, actually, I'm just gonna write app.routes slash because. So yeah, I'm just gonna write slash because slash is the default. So yeah, anyways, so let me just write Flask run. Oh, so I'm going to have to actually create the app thing. So I'm gonna say okay. So now it should work. Okay, so now let me use Flask run and okay, it says no one named Flask. So as I said, I'm gonna have to use pip to install it. So I'm gonna say pip install Flask. Yeah, since I'm using the different sorts of extra draft, it's all in a different way. So okay, so now Flask is installed. So now if I do Flask run, okay, so now finally it works. So let me just open uh Firefox here. So now I can just copy this link. Right now I mean at least it's working. Even though it has a internal server error. Yeah, we're gonna fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to random template just index.html because index.html is the templates folder. So now let me just do the app again. So, alright, so now it works. Okay, so now let me open the index.html. So now we just write something. So let me just write h1. Okay. I'll just write something here. So now let me save it. And so now it works. So anyways, so next we're going to learn how to do is how to use layouts. So let me make a new file in the templates folder called layout.html. So let's edit layout.html. So layout.html, I'm just gonna put the usual stuff. So now we're gonna do something, special or whatever. So in the body, I'm going to put this weird syntax. We're gonna learn more about the syntax in the later Flask tutorials. So yeah, basically, so the first one is block, and the next one is end block. So now let's save it. So now let's open the index.html. So if we want to basically copy that layout and put it into our and put it into the index.html, then we can write extends layouts.html. So now I'm gonna put the start block and end block thing. Yeah, go right block body. So then here, gonna put end block. We save it. Oh yeah, I'll just put a h1 here or something. So now I go back to layout.html. Change this to block body as well. So now let me let me do the thing again. Fast run. Gonna open it here. It's gonna work. As you can see, the title is the same on the layout thing. So if I add something to the layout thing, it's gonna appear on the main because the main is just like a subset of the layout. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna learn is how to use Python variables in the how to put Python variables in the HTML thing. Okay, so first let's open the Python file. Then open the app.py. Let's just make a variable. Let's call it v. V will be equal to 7. Control X, Control S. So now I'm gonna go to templates, then go to index.html. I'm gonna make a paragraph. So the paragraph gonna say the number is. So I'm gonna put a V right here. So now let me save it. Control C. Now if I run it again. So oh yeah, I want to show variables and stuff. I have to use 2 brackets, so I'll just use this. Save it. So now Well, as you can see, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to do something to this render template function. So I'm gonna go back to app.py. We have to provide v, So yeah, so let's just say v is v. Control X, Control S. Gonna restart the Flask server. Now it's reloaded. As you can see, it does it properly. Let's say I change the number to 12 or something. Now we save it. Then I have to restart Flask again. Still says number of 12. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.